Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah An-Nisa, ayah number 45 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والله أعلم بأعدائكم. For wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lapsi jalala. Lapsi jalala will get, lam will get sifa of the wasut. Wow. This dragging the sound little is called this tawassut. Wow. And then lapsi jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallah, wallahu. For ha, the sound is short. For dhamma, circle your lips. Hamza is very sharp. There is no flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound, and ain should be from your throat. Middle part of your throat. La is short. Mu for the circle your lips. The sound is short. B for kasra give E sound. Hamza is very sharp. No flow of sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with the ain. Ain will get sip of the wasut and it should be from your throat. Dal is very sharp. Make it 4 counts long because this is mad muttasil wajib. Hamza is very sharp, no flow of sound. For kasra give E sound. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme, you will get sifa of the wasut. Kum. Don't stop meme abruptly. You cannot do that because it will disturb the balance. And Quran has a beautiful balance in its letters. بأعدائكم. For wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. Kaf is light. For fatha, open your jaws. No hums is there. Don't bring hums when kaf is mutaharika. When kaf is with fatha, the makasra, you are not bringing in hums. Ka, very clear sound. Ka, fa, here the fa. The hums comes whenever you see fa in any state, you're bringing in hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Fa, 2 counts long. B for kasra, give E sound, attach with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Whenever there is kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be light. Otherwise, it will be heavy. Billah, la, 2 counts long. It is by default, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. You are making it long always. Billahi, for kasra give E sound. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Li. For kasra give E sound and attach it ya. Here you are bringing in nabar. A number is a jump of sound whenever wow or ya are with tashdid, they get number, and number is jump of sound. Li. When you are attaching lam with ya, here you are applying number. Li. And then there's idgham. Yaum, idgham with gunna. So bring gunna here. Yaum, and then wow with fatha is very short. Ka is short. Fa, give hums and make it 2 counts long. Billah, lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Don't drop this E sound, even you are attaching it with the coming up letter. Billahi, na is very short. Sli, so this heavy, make it 2 counts long. Mad, I will make it 2 counts long. Nasira. Wallahu a'lamu bi'a'daikum. وكفى بالله وليا وكفى بالله نصيرا. Me for kasra give e sound. No, sorry. It will be light. Where only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, lam, is sometimes it's heavy, it's sometimes it's light. Other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, lam is always light. So no matter what, where you see lam without Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it will stay light. Minal, nal, it will get tawassut, but fatha will be very short. Minal, the, na is short. Ha, 2 counts long. Do for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. You for the circle ellipse. Had, ha, for fatha, open your jaws and attach it. Ra will be light because there is kasra. Whenever there is kasra on ra is light. You had the, when you are attaching ha with ra, there you are giving tawassut. Had, this is tawassut. And eri for kasra, the sound is very short. Fu, give hums on fa, make it 2 counts long for the circle your lips. Nal for fatha, open your jaws. Make sure you open your jaws for a fatha when it is attached with the coming up letter. If you will not, the balance will be disturbed. Nal, ka is short. Li for kasra, give e sound, and the sound is short. Ma short. Ain from your throat, attached with meme. This is with gunna, so give gunna a nice time. And gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. And then fatha is very short. Ma, wa for wow, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. God is heavy for kasra, give e sound. Ain from your throat for kasra, give e sound, the sound is very short. He, 2 counts long. Wa for wow, circle your lips, for fatha, open your jaw. Yeah, very soft letter. For fatha, open your jaw. Yeah. Qaf is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, short. Yeah. Lu, na. Sa is short. Nia. For kasra, give e sound attached with Ain will get sif off the wasser and it should be from the middle part of your throat. Nia. Na, 2 counts long. Ua, for wow, circle your lips, for fatha, open jaws. Ain from your throat. Swai, Swad is heavy, for fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Yeah, it will be 2 counts long because this is lean. Give a nice time on fatha, so it becomes soft. Na, the way sai long, na is long too. So the length should be equal because this is 2 counts long, this is 2 counts long. Na, was for wow, circle your lips, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with seen will get sif off. Rakhawa and safir, and it is light. Was ma for fatha, open your jaws, attach with Ain will get sif off the so ain should be from middle part of your throat. Ma, Ghoin is heavy. So to make any letter heavy, you are lifting the root of your tongue towards your palate. Goi, and you're keeping the sound, keeping your lips straight. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it. Yeah, it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Goi, ra is short. Mus, for the circle, lips attach it. Sin will get sifa off. Rohawa and Safir, and it is light. Mus, ma is short. Ain from your throat. And for kasra, give e sound, attach it. Wow, this is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa is short. Ra is heavy and 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for kasra, give e sound. Na, 2 counts long. Lay, and lam for fatha, open your jaws. And Ya is with tashdid, so you're giving number, and number is a jump of sound. When you are attaching lam with ya, here you are applying number. Lay, yam. This is iqlab, and you're changing the sound of noon into meme. So, lay, yam, bi. For kasra, give e sound. Al, hamza is very sharp of fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam gets it off the wasut. LC for kasra give E sound. Na short. T for kasra give E sound. Him for kasra give E sound attached with meme will get sif off the wasut. Him. Wa for wow circle lips for fatha open jaws. Wa for fatha open your jaws attached with the ain. Make ta heavy and then attach with ain. Ain will get sifa off the wasut, and ain should be from your middle part of your throat. Wow. No, this is ikhfa, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Some scholars call this ikhfa a gunna because gunna is such a important part of ikhfa. So you are creating gunna compulsory. Feed for kasra give e sound with dal. Dal is a sharp letter, no flow of sound. Feed. Look how sharply it cuts off. Feed. And then D will be 2 counts long. It's not 2 counts long now because we are giving stop at the end. This temporary sukoon which we are giving on noon because of the waqf has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. So now it is 4 counts long. Feed. This is called mad arid lissakoon. For wow circular lips, fatha open your jaws. Low 2 counts long. And hamza is very sharp. No flow of sound. For fatha open your jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. And fatha for fatha open your jaws. Na. Hum for the circular lips attached with meme. You will get sifa of the worst. Hum. Cough is heavy. Lift your tongue up to make cough heavy. For fatha open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Lu for the circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Se for fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. Mia for kasra give e sound and then attach it ain. Ain will get sif afterwards, so the ain should be from middle part of your throat. Mia na 2 counts long. Ua for wow circle your lips for fatha open your jaws. A hamza is very sharp, no flow of sound. For fatha open your jaws and make ta heavy. Attach with ain. Ain will get sip off the wasut and ain should be from your throat. Na was for wow circle your lips. From fatha open your jaws, attach with sin. Sin will get sip off rakhawa and safi. There should be whistle and it is like was. The sound will not stop. Was na for fatha open your jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut and should be from your throat. Ma wang. This is heavy ikhfa. For wow circle your lips, fatha open your jaws and bring heavy ikhfa here because za is among heavy letters. Heavy ikhfa is created by lifting your tongue up. Wang woo for dhamma circle lips make dha heavy. Attach with raw. Raw is heavy too because there is dhamma before it. Woo and give the wasut on raw. Na 2 counts long. La short. Ka is light and 2 counts long. Na short. Khoi. This is lean. It is 2 counts long. Kho is heavy. And make it soft because of the lean. Khoi roll. Roll is heavy because there is fatha on it. And give the wasut on lam when you're touching it. Roll. And fatha is short. La. Hum for the circular lips attached with me, we will get sip of the wasut. Hum wa for wow circular lips, fatha open your jaws. Ako. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala and qaf is heavy. Ako. Wa for wow circular lips for fatha open jaws. Ma short. Wa for wow circular lips for fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Kil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Kil La is short. Ain from your throat. Na short. Who for the circular lips. Moo. Meme is light, but as you'll touch, lafz jalala will be heavy because there is the ma before it. Moo. By default, it is long. Who for the circular lips. B. Mm, B for constructive E sound. Kuf for the circular lips attached. Fa will get sifa of hams. Kuf ri ra is light because there is kasra under it. Ri him give E sound and then attach with meme and meme will get sifa of tawasud. Him fa give hams on fa for fatha on jaws. La two counts long. You for the circular lips. Ya is very soft letter. You are lifting your tongue up towards palate, but it's not touching it. That is making ya very soft. It's a very soft touch, like when people does not have strength in their tongue, they say here, 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 just like that. You have to say this ya. Ya is this ya. Arabi ya is very different from Urdu ya and English Y. This ya has nothing to do with those two letters. This pronunciation is very different. Listen how we do it. You very soft. And for Dhamma circular lips and Hamza is very sharp. So there is no flow of sound. You, me, focus target E sound. No for the circular lips, make it two counts long. Na, short. Il, Hamza is very sharp. No flow of sound. Focus target E sound. Try with lam gets it off. Tawasud is a medium flow of sound. Il, and then la is two counts long. Off is heavy. Lift your tongue, last part of your tongue up to make off heavy, but your lips are straight. Li, two counts long. La, two counts long. من الذين هادوا يحرفون الكلمة عن مواضعه ويقولون سمعنا وعصينا واسمع غير مسمع وراعنا ليا بألسنتهم وطعنا في الدين ولو أنهم قالوا سمعنا وأطعنا واسمع وانظرنا لكان خيرا لهم وأقوم ولكن لعنهم الله بكفرهم فلا يؤمنون إلا قليلا. Yeah is four counts long. Ay, Hamza is very sharp, no flop sound. Attach with ya, here it will get number whenever wow and ya are with tashdid are always with number. When you are attaching this Hamza with ya, here you are applying it. Ay, and then the ma is very short for the circular lip. You ha from last part of your throat, but fatha open jaws attached with lam gets sifa of the wasut. Hal, but fatha is short. La, vi, na, short. Oo, two counts long. Tul, it is not anymore long because this ta is attached with lam and now will get sifa of the wasut. Tulki, for kasra E sound. Ta, very sharp sound, no flow of sound. 2 counts long. Ba, short. Hamza is very sharp. And after that, this is alif. Alif is very different from Hamza. Hamza is from your throat and alif is from your jaw. Me for kasra give E sound. No for the circle letters make it 2 count long. B for kasra give E sound. Ma 2 count long. Naz. For fatha, open your jaws. You have to open your jaws for fatha. It is very important. Otherwise, it will disturb the balance. Naz. Naz. And thus za will get rakhawa and safid. So it has buzzing sound. Naz. This has Z sound. It has nothing to do with S sound here. So it's not mixture of Z and S, and it's not S, but it is only Z. Naz. Nazzal. For fatha, open your jaws attached with lam. Lam you get sip of the wasut. Zal. Na. 2 counts long. Mu for the circular lip. Slad. Slad is heavy for fatha, open your jaws attached with dal. Dal is very sharp, no flow of sound. Slad. It cuts off the flow of sound very sharply. Slad. T for kasra give E sound. Qal. Qaf is heavy for fatha, open your jaws attached with lam. Lam you get sip of the wasut. Qali for kasra give E sound. Ma 2 count long. Ma short. R from your throat for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Kum idgham is shafawi, and this idgham is shafawi will bring in gunna kamila. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum mi. Sorry. This ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So you are lifting your tongue, the root of your tongue up to create this ikhfa. Min qab. Qaf is heavy for fatha. When yours attach it, ba will get sitfa of qalqala, and ba will be light. Because of qaf is heavy, don't make ba heavy. Qab, li for kasra give E sound. An idgham with gunna, keeping the sound in your nose is compulsory. Naq for fatha, open your jaws attached with a toto will get sifa of qalqala, and it is heavy. Naq mi for kasra give E sound. Sa wu for vowels, circle lips for dhamma circle lips. So the task is easy now because you have to circle our lips for both goals. You circle your lips and make it 2 count long. Ha ikhfa for fa. So keeping the sound in your nose. Ha fa. Fa. Give hums on fa for fatha. The sound is very short. Na short. Rud. Ra is heavy for the circle lips attached. Dal. Dal is very sharp. Rud. And for fatha, the sound very short. Da. Ha. 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. La. 4 counts long. Ala. Ad. Hamza is very sharp for fatha from jaws attached to dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Ad. Ba. 2 counts long. Ri for kasra give E sound. Ha. 4 counts long. Ow. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with wow. This is lean. Make it 2 counts long and make it soft. Ow. Hamza is very sharp, but when you are attaching this with wow, that process should be very soft. Ow. Nal. For fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Nal. Ain from your throat. Na short. Boom for the circular lips attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawassut. Ka is very light and there is no humps when it is mutaharika. For fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Kama 2 counts long. La short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon gets sifa of gunna. This is akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. An, and then it is 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Ja is anna. As. Hamza is very sharp. We keep Hamza light for fatha open your jaws and keep Sod heavy. Sod has rakhawa and it has safir and it is heavy. As. Ha. 2 counts long. Ha should be from your throat. Bas. Teen will get rakhawa. It is light and it has safir. Bas. Sab. This tab is a little difficult. Listen how we do it. If you will cover ta with your hand, so you will not be distracted, and you will say sab. Till here, we are not changing anything. Sab, the vowel should get a nice qalqala, sab, and then we are pronouncing hums of ta only. Sab, sab. This is the step. If you want to quit the step, don't stop here. Sabati wa for wow, circle your lips for fatha open jaws. Ka 2 counts long. Na short. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws. That meme will get sifa of the wasat. Ru. Ra is heavy for dhamma, circle your lips. Lafz jalala will be heavy too because there is dhamma before it, and it is by default it is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. Rullahi for kasra give ease and the sound is very short. Maf for fatha open jaws and attached with fa. Fa will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Maf'u ain from your throat, make it 2 counts long. La mad ayat, so you are making it 2 counts long. Ya أيها الذين أوتوا الكتاب آمنوا بما نزلنا مصدقا لما معكم من قبل أن نطمس وجوها فنردها على أدبارها أو نلعنهم كما لعنا أصحاب السبت وكان أمر الله مفعولا. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.